So let's take a second to go through this problem. 4 to the third, what are we going to do first? Remember, it's parentheses, right? So we're going to do the parentheses, then we'll do exponents, then we'll do multiplication and division, whichever comes first, left to right, and we'll also do addition and subtraction, okay? We did a very similar problem like this one to this one in lab, but again, you want to start with the parentheses first. So what is, again, absolute value is same as parentheses, okay? So what we're going to do here is we're going to do 6 minus 8, so it's going to be negative 9, and then we have absolute value, and we have a negative 2 here, plus 4 to the third power. Now, what do we do next? We're still working on the parentheses, right? So what we need to do is the absolute value of negative 2 is going to be positive 2, so this is going to be negative 9, and then the absolute value of negative 2 is going to be positive 2. So we're going to put that in parentheses because, again, since there's no operation between these two, we're going to assume it's multiplication. And then plus 4 to the third. So we went ahead and we took care of our parentheses step. Now we're going to be on exponents. So exponents 4 to the third, 4 times 4 times 4. So 4 times 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4. Sorry, I got to get my calculator. 16 times 4. So this is going to be 64. So it's going to be negative 9, parentheses, 2, plus 64. So we did those parentheses. Now we've got to do this multiplication and division step. So right here, negative 9 times 2 is going to give us a positive 18 plus 64. And then 18 plus 64 is going to give us 82. So again, I think the issue probably lied up here in this part. Just make sure when you have two things written next to each other that those two things are going to end up being multiplied.